Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get into this area on Dress to Impress. So you're going to use the fairy pose pack. I just used the fairy 3 one, the third one, and I basically hoisted myself up onto the arc and onto the curtain thing. It takes me quite a while to go up here, and there we go. And then just turn off the pose pack. You're going to walk on the side of the building. Make sure you don't fall, so you have to move quickly here. So right about here, you're just going to walk on the side of the building. Then you're just going to jump on the green area, and you're just going to walk there. It does take a long time, but just fast forward it, and here's the restricted area. There's money, there's the currency, and the obby. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!